this stunningly gorgeous view, guys. Yeah, fog so thick up here you can't see shit. At least we have open road. But this is definitely the tail of the dragon. That 14 minutes has got to be the end of it. But the last scenic overlay was horrible. You couldn't see anything. That's way worse. We're just putting around. How fast are we going? No, 20 miles per hour. That's probably good for here. I think the speed limit is 30. But because of the fog, I'd say parts of Kentucky were better than this. This should just be an absolutely gorgeous view. At least I got to view it when it was. When I rode this with my father, it was middle of the summer. Heck, I think I got sun poisoning. Just nothing. Nothing. I can't see anything. That's sad. And part of the ride's the view, you know? I gotta quit playing with my mask. But as you guys can see, it's pretty much all to myself, which was not the case before at all. It wasn't even close to the case. Look how beautiful that is. Such a beautiful view. Again, I don't know if I was recording for that, but it's like a view in Hong Kong. So my sister came to visit me my first year in China. And so of course, you know, she had to go to Hong Kong. Not like she had to, but like I insisted. Actually, I think that's where she flew in and out of. But anyways, just because it's like such a major Chinese thing. We also went to Beijing and of course we went to Shenzhen where I live. But we go up to Charlie and we get all the way up the tower. We look out over the beautiful city of Hong Kong and it's all fog. Couldn't see anything. So I think she got some pictures with it digitally added in because of how bad the fog was. Yeah, it says I still have 11 minutes. Helmets are required. Thanks, Garmin. Makes sense. I don't know how many motorcycle deaths there have been. But I think there's been like 30 or 40. Oil? This nice little pour off. Hey, I can kind of see what's out there. there's another mountain. But this is supposed to be so gorgeous. Ah, silly. So far since I've been in this, since we left the lake, I've seen 2 vehicles. There's a creek. I'd say we've been averaging 20, 25, 15 miles per hour the whole time. Sometimes it feels like we're crawling. Hey, there's no fog here. We must be getting lower. We must be getting over. Yeah, so that 10 minutes must be the end of it. That's beautiful. Sometimes, guys, motorcycles need speed, right? Like, if you ever take a motorcycle class, the one thing they'll tell you is slow down going into the turn, speed up going out of the turn. Well, looks like someone must have crashed there. So I can take more liberties if I so choose. Sucks about the view. Oh, there's a car. Yeah, I think the locals wouldn't really take this route. Because there's nothing you can do but ride through it. And I'm guessing there's quicker ways to get to wherever you need to go than going through this. Especially during, like, heavy traffic. If this is not the tail of the dragon and there's more turns coming up, then that's going to be amazing. But this has got to be it. Oh, someone must have died there. See landmarks and people writing stuff. That growl of the KLR. Yep. My hand's gonna hurt from all this clutch work. I gotta adjust my clutch like Shane said. Shane's the guy I rode his soul with. We're getting back up in it because it's foggy again. It's a long way down, and again, no guardrails. That's interesting. You'd think they'd have this thing lined with it. I've cleaned us all conquered. Definitely haven't seen any bikes, and now I think officially we're up to 3 cars. So funny. I was on truly, if I was Cheoah, I would have to ride faster than this. Just because of all that weight to work around. But with low visibility. Squirrel. Look at this beautiful pool out there. Sad. I mean, it's better than it raining, that's for sure. Uh, 20 miles per hour, it doesn't feel like. Oh, there's number 4 vehicle. Yeah, so that 4 minutes got to be the end of it. So that makes sense geography-wise. It goes through Tennessee, and then because I think that address was North Carolina. So if it's the end of the tat, then obviously the tat, Dragon's Tail. Hey guys, that sign said don't pass. that's a good turn. Well, it's kind of sad. We'll follow up a G-string, 2 bee stings. Mile 0. Hey, and now we're in North Carolina. So, that must be it. Yeah, so obviously that was the tail of the dragon, because now I'm in North Carolina. South Carolina's next. Let's see if we see the big dragon up here. Yeah, Joe's got motorcycle. Car number 4. Hey, I don't know why I'm driving so slow. There's the dragon. Closed. Weird. I wonder why it's closed. Everything's closed. Can't even get a sticker. Okay, well, let's go over here. Wow. Good thing I don't need gas. Alright guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Watch the videos. Check out my Patreon. Buy some coffee.